Dear viewer, welcome to this introduction to Kronospan Lampertswalde. Thank you for your trust and interest in our company. We are by far the world's leading manufacturer of wood-based panels, and with good reason. We believe in combining the best possible service with top speed and quality, and would like to help you optimize your working capital. We achieve this with our unique combination of simple but effective work processes, a highly motivated workforce, the people around us, our entrepreneurial spirit, as well as cost leadership. For this, Kronospan can offer you in-depth product knowledge and a vast range of accessories. As a one-stop supplier, we can provide you with everything you need, which will enable you to minimize your range of suppliers and streamline your processes, saving costs and optimizing your products in the process. In mathematical terms, this equates to laminate flooring equals Kronospan. Allow my colleague to take you on a little factory tour.
We are currently standing on our 3HA woodyard, which hosts up to 70,000 cubic metres of logs, wood, chips and shavings. This amount is enough for 16 days of production, or for heating 3,500 family homes for an entire year. Here the logs are chipped and transported to the silos via conveyor belts.
This is the control room of our MDF production plant. Fibre production is a process which requires a lot of energy. In fact, we're talking about the energy consumption equivalent to that of a small city. After pressing, the chipboard is transported to the star cooler.
In the background, right behind me, we store up to 4,000 tonnes of glue for our MDF boards, which require strong and permanent quality and bond. We also produce up to 100 tonnes of impregnation resin for our printed decor papers. In addition, we supply our resin and glue to other plants and locations all over Europe.
Here in our impregnating plant, we produce up to 1.5 million square metres of impregnated paper. This is an equivalent to an area of more than 200 football fields. In the impregnating process, the raw paper sheet is first passed through a resin bath and then dried down to a storable level. In a further step, the fully dried paper is either rolled up or stored on pallets as sheets. The impregnating plant creates the basis for the quality of the future furniture panels and laminate flooring.
Welcome to our coating plant. This is where we combine the impregnates whose production you have just witnessed and the HDF support plates. The stabilising layer goes on first. In a second step, the two HDF panels are placed on the stabilising layer. Next comes the decor paper, and finally the overlay is placed on top. It is now that the actual pressing process starts. The support plate and the impregnates are transported to the press. Here they are securely bonded by means of heat and pressure. Simultaneously, the surface structure is created using a structured metal plate. After pressing, the panels are removed and checked for surface irregularities using a high-tech camera system. In a last step, the panels are transported to the cooling turner for cooling.
In the flooring plant, the laminated panels are ripped off and profiled. Next, the profiles are grooved along the long and short sides, packed, labelled, foiled and stacked. Our annual production amounts to 50 million square metres. Joined together, these 50 million square metres would make up a 1 metre wide belt which goes all the way around the Earth. And all that in just 1 year. I am very proud of this fascinating fact.
This is our laboratory unit. This is where our products undergo all kinds of tests and checkups. Our raw panels, coatings, profiles and laminate flooring are all checked here. Our coated panels also are subjected to strict controls. This is one of our numerous in-house test stations. Each and every area of our production is subject to strict quality controls. which follow a preset test schedule. This ensures that all our products have been thoroughly checked before being passed on to the next production step. All in all, our products undergo over 17 individual steps of quality control.
Welcome to our finished parts warehouse. This warehouse has a storage capacity of 1.8 million square meters. I have been working here for more than 20 years. When I started, we had about 2 to 3 shipments a day. Now, we are talking 60 to 80 truckloads a day, as well as overseas containers and rail loadings. Our customers can choose from over 2,000 articles in various shapes and sizes. Additionally, we offer a wide range of accessories, such as skirting, sound insulation, underlays, clips, glue, and so on. Coordinating and mastering these vast numbers is something my team and I are particularly proud of.
Quality, environmental consciousness and health awareness. These are our guiding principles. These guidelines are under constant surveillance due to reviews by external institutions, as well as certification according to the standards of numerous national and international hallmarks. 90% of the materials used in our laminate flooring comes from renewable sources. The wood used in the manufacturing process comes directly from sustainable sources. This is certified by FST as well as PEFC. The fact that our products do not represent any health risks is confirmed by organisations such as the German Blauer Engel, Blue Angel, the French A+ certification, as well as the US Floor Score label. All in all, our standards apply to 15 different systems of certification in order to meet our customers' requirements to our products.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining us on our trip around the plant and behind the scenes. It is a long and tedious way from a small chip of wood to top quality laminate flooring. Let me close by adding that being able to supply the world's best customers with the world's best flooring is an honour and a wonderful feeling. My team and I would like to thank you for placing your trust in us. Remember, buying Kronospan flooring is buying top quality flooring.